There is only one man in NBA history who survived the James Harden step back. And I'm not exaggerating. When Wesley Johnson tried to guard Harden, he got hit with the step back so bad, he literally ended up touching the floor. That clip became one of the most disrespectful moments ever. Then Steph Curry tried to stop it, and Harden still cooked him. Marcus Smart, he got hit with that same move. And honestly, to this day, nobody knows where he went. But then came the one guy Harden couldn't embarrass, Lou Dort. Harden sized him up, started dancing with the ball, and you already knew what was coming. The step back, the ankle breaker, the move that sent defenders into another dimension. But this time, Dort didn't bite. He stayed low. He stayed strong. He stayed right in front of Harden, and Harden looked at him, realized the move wasn't working, and passed the ball. That's how scary Lou Dort's defense was. He didn't just guard the Harden step back, he made James Harden want nothing to do with it.